Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Thursday, May 1st, 2014. It's now 2:08 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were mixed today. The NASDAQ was the only index that showed a little strength. Everything seems to be non-committal, perhaps until the non-farm payroll report tomorrow morning. The S&P was down slightly. Price remains in the long-term uptrend channel. It's also in the consolidation area as seen by the light blue rectangle. Support is at 1807 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 1885 as seen by the pink oval. The NASDAQ closed up. Price tagged the upper border of the downtrend channel. However, it remains in the downtrend channel. A close above 3600 would change our sentiment to bullish. The Fibonacci 100% retracement level is at 3441. The US dollar closed down slightly. Price remains in the downtrend channel and continues to approach support at 21.24. This is seen by the green oval. Resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Thursday, May 1st. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There's one strong currency and no weak currency. There aren't any qualified pairs to trade. Here's our trade summary chart for May. For open trades, the pound US dollar trade remains open. We're long 8 micros at 1.6871. Target number 1 is 1.6932, and our stop loss is at 1.6755. For new orders, no new orders were entered. Let's first look at the price chart for our open trade on the pound US dollar. We purchased 8 micros at 1.6871. We now have targets 1, 2, and 3 set up. Target number 1 is at 1.6932. Our stop loss is at 1.6755. Let's now look at the price charts for some of the more popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Aussie US dollar. This has been in a medium-term uptrend channel, and price is sitting at the bottom of the channel. Here's the Euro Aussie dollar. This has been in a medium-term downtrend channel. Price is currently sitting at the center of the channel. This is the Euro US dollar. Price has been in a medium-term uptrend channel. We're now looking at the pound yen. This has been in a long-term uptrend channel. However, over the last couple months, this price has been going pretty much sideways. And last is the US dollar yen. This has been in a long-term downtrend channel. Price most recently, though, has been going sideways. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening for Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the 2 indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. determining the strength of the 8 currencies, and 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are 2 indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.